What's good, y'all? So I wanted to make this just a real quick, like literally like under 3 minutes, if I can under 5, like is what I'm aiming for. All right. So in this case, right? In this case, we have Euraud, right? Which is your AUD, all right, and I'm on the 4 hour. So I already did my top-down analysis for the pair, and basically how I'm seeing everything form is I would love to see it basically come back down to continue the upward like push. But in this case, like this is what I'm seeing, just it going upward in the meantime. So if for whatever reason we do get a bearish momentum like move, then that momentum will come from the break of this area and then a continuation towards the downside if it wants to continue. So either this would happen and continue upward, or it would actually break that area, retest a good round area, and then continue going towards the downside. That's it. But I'm more gauged towards I'm more gauged towards the upside in that sense. So I don't want to highlight so much of the downside, like in that sense. So if that makes sense, like obviously it does. Like don't factor in just the lower time frames. You got to look at the higher time frames in a sense, just to give you like a more projected area towards the upside. So for me, I would love to see the retracement to this area, and then from that retracement into either into this yellow zone or into this teal zone to then continue going upward. If we just get a jump right from here to continue going upward, then I would like to see either a reaction off of this level to where maybe it could come back down, maybe give us another opportunity before actually breaking out. But if it just strictly just breaks out, then I would like to see a retracement possibly to this level or the teal zone to where we can actually get more buyers to come into and target that last area where TPs would be taken. So that's just it. So keep that in mind. And then again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me, hit me up, comment down below, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's this is my projection. This is my projection for the week for EA. And then yeah, let you guys know. Peace.